In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the strategy tester in MetaTrader 5. The strategy tester is your built-in lab for checking how an expert advisor, or EA, would have performed on historical market data. It lets you control the market, time frame, and period so you can evaluate behavior before risking live funds. To get started, open MetaTrader 5 and launch the tester. You can do this in two simple ways. Press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard, or go to the View menu and click Strategy Tester. When it opens, you'll see the Strategy Tester panel appear at the bottom of the platform. Next, choose the expert advisor you want to analyze. In the Tester panel, open the Expert Advisor dropdown and select the EA from your installed list. Installed EAs populate automatically, so if you've added one to your platform, it should be available here without any extra setup. Now select the trading symbol. Pick the market the strategy was built for, such as EURUSD, GBPUSD, XAUSD, or NAS100. Matching the EA's intended symbol is important because market characteristics vary. What works on a major currency pair might behave differently on an index or a metal. Choose the time frame that aligns with your strategy's design. You can test on short intervals like M5 or M15, intraday frames like H1 or H4, or go broader with daily. Keep your choice consistent with how the EA was meant to trade, since timeframes influence signal frequency and noise. Set the testing period by enabling Use Date, then pick a start and end date, for example, January 1st to December 31st. Longer periods often provide more reliable insights because they capture a wider range of market conditions, though they may take longer to process. Select the testing mode that suits your purpose. MetaTrader 5 offers several modes, such as higher precision options that simulate more detailed ticks and faster modes that trade accuracy for speed. If you're fine-tuning entries, lean toward higher precision. If you're scanning broadly, a faster mode can help iterate quickly. Configure the starting deposit, account currency, and leverage. For example, you might begin with 1,000 in your chosen currency and 1,100 leverage. Use realistic values that mirror your live account so performance metrics, drawdowns, and margin behavior make sense. Adjust the EA inputs to match your plan. This can include risk settings, lot size, stop loss, and take profit levels, or filters. Make one change at a time when comparing runs to keep results meaningful. Optionally enable visualization if you want to watch trades plotted on the chart during the test. This is great for learning and troubleshooting, though it will slow the run. When everything looks right, click Start to begin the backtest.